Welcome to the future. AI, or artificial intelligence, is no longer just a sci-fi concept. It's part of our everyday lives. But how can you harness its power? Let's dive in. At its core, AI is about teaching computers to think and learn like humans. It's about recognizing patterns, making decisions, and solving problems. You're probably already using AI without realizing it. From suggesting products to controlling your home, AI is making life easier. Want to get more hands-on? There are countless AI tools and platforms out there. Some popular ones include ChatGPT for generating human-like text, Midjourney for creating stunning AI art, Grammarly for improving your writing. Here are some tips to get started with AI. First, define your goal. What do you want to achieve with AI? Next, choose the right tool. Select the tool that best suits your needs. Then, experiment and learn. Don't be afraid to try different things. And finally, ethical considerations. Use AI responsibly and ethically. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. Imagine a world where AI helps cure diseases, solves climate change, and even explores space. So, are you ready to embrace the AI revolution? Start exploring, experimenting, and creating. The possibilities are endless. Do you like this content? Subscribe and learn more.